What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from the United States of America. We're going to go over our friend Gala games. Bitcoin has broken out, and the altcoins are starting to break out as well. So we're sitting at 25 cents. We're up about 2% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 1.74 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.09 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card, you have $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into the 4-hour time frame. So we broke out of a falling wedge pattern. You can see here we came down, we had a bear trap, and we absolutely shot right out of it. We also have a beautiful inverse head and shoulders, which you're seeing all over the market as Bitcoin is creating one as well. Left shoulder head, right shoulder. A little bit of a lopsided neckline here. Just let me quickly grab my line. A little bit difficult to draw in this neckline here. I'm just going to cut it straight across. Usually I would do it like this, but I'm just going to cut these wicks off a little bit here. So if we can come up and break about 0.256, we can see a beautiful breakout back to the upside. You measure from the bottom of your pattern up to your neckline, take it to your point of breakout, and could take you all the way up to this take profit zone, which is coming in at about 35 cents. We have had 3 entries with Gala with our break even sitting at about 27 cents. So currently from our break even, we're down about 8%. So we're very close to our break even, guys. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. So I want to look at the hourly chart as well. We can see here we are trending towards overbought, so do keep a close eye on that. Hopefully we can come up and break this neckline, but if we do simply get rejected here, we can come back down to 0.223. Your next strong level of support is 0.173, but Bitcoin has had a massive breakout, currently sitting at 41K, up 8%. So hopefully we see some continuation to the upside, but I will always give you both scenarios. So let's look at the daily time frame. So what I want to see for Gala, if we're really going to see a breakout, because as of right now, we've basically seen a dead cat bounce. You can see here, we had a blow off top, we came down, we've had a dead cat bounce. So if we start to break down out of this pattern, that's when we can come all the way back down to this low and come down to this swing high and this swing low. What we need to see, if we are going to see continuation to the upside for Gala, break back above the EMAs, break out of this level of resistance, come out and take out these highs, and then that's when you can start heading up to this level right here, the previous all-time high. But we have a lot of work to do, in my opinion. We did reach the bottom section here on the money flow as well. We're quite low on the RSI, but we do need to get back above the daily EMAs, and that would be a strong sign of strength, as we just had a bit of a bear trap right here, dead cat bounce. So still a lot of work to be done for Gala. If we break down and we lose this low, guys, do expect us to come back down to this high at about 11 cents. But as of right now, we're seeing a nice bounce in the market. So hopefully we can bounce back up into profits, and we can start to take profits on our trade with our break even currently sitting at 0.272. So that's basically it for Gala. It's hard to give future price targets right now, as we are in a bear market with Bitcoin. But if this were to be our true bottom, that's not promised, guys. But just in theory, if that were the true bottom and you take your Fibonacci from the swing high down to the swing low, you would target the 1.618, coming in at $2.48. And in the short term, you can take your Fibonacci from this swing high down to your swing low. And if you can get back above the golden ratio, which is, which is coming in here at about 0.295, that's when you can head back up to where you started at a 0.385 and the 1.618 at 57 cents, guys. But a lot of work to do for Gala, but nice to see Bitcoin with a beautiful breakout. We broke out of this inverse head and shoulders with some beautiful volume here. So we are in a technical target to the upside of 45.7K. We are trending towards overbought on the 4-hour, on the RSI, as well as the money flow. Do keep a close eye on that for our friend BTC, but we're back above the EMAs. We look at Bitcoin on the daily, we're back above the 20, so watch the 55 coming in at about 41.7K. Definitely could act as resistance for BTC. So that's it for Gala, guys. Hopefully we can see continuation and break this neckline, and then you're in a technical target up to about 0.345. But if we simply get rejected here, do watch support at 0.22. All right, guys. If you want access to the DCA strategy, is fully explained in the Discord, as well as buy and take profit zones, which are updated daily. And we have the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, as well as the DCA trade strategy fully explained. And over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The price of a coffee, you really can't beat it. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.